guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna having another Filipino words. So yeah. So hit that like button guys if you like this video and comment down below what another video you want me to make. And subscribe to my channel right now. So yeah. So I want to do a topic is romantic. So the first stop I'm gonna tell you about is Mahal Kita. So it's easy. So just combine all the letters from M-A-H-A-L, then Kita, K-I-T-A. So you can see that in the screen. Mahal Kita means I love you. But I am not telling guys that I love you. Whoever watched. That is just the meaning of Mahal Kita. And comment down below too kapag ikaw ba ay Filipino, pa at least alam ko na Filipino ka pala. So hindi lang ako dito yung taong mga Filipino. So next is pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. So, this is pag tapos ibig. So, that means is love. L-O-V-E. Love. Pag-ibig. That is the number 2. So, the third one is halik. It's actually action po siya, action word, halik. So that means kiss. At isa pa naman po ay yakap. So yakap means hug. Hug time! So, yan lang po for today's video. Only 5 words. So, comment down below kung ano naman po ang gusto niyong gawin kong video. And, also comment niyo din po kung kayo ay Filipino or hindi. Yeah, mayroon lang po ako Filipino. So, the announcement po for the previous skit nung kahapon kulang yung pinost. Bukas po ang continuation niya. Hindi ko po magagawa yun mga sabay-sabay. So, kung siningit ko po muna tong video na po. See you guys next week. Bye!